ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಂಡರ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಬೈ ಸಾರಾ ಲಿನ್ಸಿ. This is an American-made cosmetics company committed to safety. They champion the use of skincare and beauty products free from harmful chemicals, making them safe for pregnant and breastfeeding mothers as well. ಈಗ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಗು ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ರಾಫಲ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ? Pick a raffle, please. What is your name, Putta?
Skanda.
Skanda. The red one. Can you announce the number?
1991010.
Wonderful. ಯಾರ್ದಿದು ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Please come on stage. You have a gift hamper. 1991010. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? Thank you, Skanda, for picking it. Congratulations, ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
Savita.
Congratulations again. Thank you.